Okay, so do we think we can sort them now? We know that there's a lot of overlap with quadrilaterals and parallelograms, and a square is a rhombus and a rectangle. So let's be very careful and slow down and double check our work while we're sorting our shapes. So let's see, what's our first shape gonna be? I'm dropping shapes. Our first shape is a square. So I already know a square is what? Does it have one pair of parallel sides? No, it's got more than that, right? One, here's a pair, and here's a pair. So that's not gonna be square. Square, two pairs of parallel sides, ding, 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 ding. Yes, that's gonna be our square. What about four right angles? Yes, our square does have four right angles. Are all sides the same length? Yes, sir, yes, ma'am. That is our square for sure. And do we have four right angles and all the same length? Awesome possum, that is right. Our square fits into four categories. Perfect, thank you, square. Next, what's our next shape gonna be? Oh my goodness, it's gonna be what is that? You remember what this is called? That's our parallelogram. Does it have one pair of parallel sides? I see two. I hope you can see two. This pair and this pair. We've got two pairs of parallel sides. Bam, bam. How about this? Four right angles? Nope, remember our right angles look like this. And these ones are all kind of, are all sides the same length? Nope. What about four right angles and all sides the same length? Nope, so this is our only one. Our parallelogram only has one category. What is our next shape gonna be? Right. Ooh, that is our rectangle. So where does our rectangle fit in? One pair of parallel sides, let's see. Nope, here's a pair and here's a pair. We've got two pairs of parallel sides, so our rectangle is gonna fit into this category. What about four right angles? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I've got four angles that go like this, make a nice straight corner. Our rectangle fits in right here. Are all sides the same length? Nope. I've got long sides and short sides. How about four right angles and all sides the same length? Well, I do have my four right angles, but all sides are not the same length, so we're not gonna put it in this category. All right, we've got one shape left. Let's see. It's our, what's it called? Rhombus, our nice fun rhombus. Does it have one pair of parallel sides? Let's see. Nope, these are parallel, and this side, those are parallel. What about two pairs of parallel sides? Yeah, we just counted them. Totally two pairs of parallel sides. Four right angles. Ooh, I don't see any right angles there. Remember, our right angle has to look like this, and these angles are pretty skinny. Oh, got a wide angle over here and a skinny angle over there. Are all sides the same length? You know what, I did measure it just to make sure, and they are. I hope you trust me on that one. All sides are the same length on our rhombus. Oh dear, that is a bad drawing of a rhombus. And do we have four right angles? But yeah, all sides are the same length, but I don't meet both categories or both qualifiers, so I can't put my rhombus there. Yay, I hope everybody's sorting turned out to look like this. Now for the tricky part. Can you name the categories, right? Remember, there's some overlap, so even though I'm thinking this is a rectangle, a square is also technically a rectangle because they both have those four right angles. So let's see, one pair of parallel sides. What was that shape called again? Looks like this, remember? Trapezoid. Did you get that one? What about two pairs of parallel sides? Look at this word. That's going to be the clue here. Parallelogram. Yay! Did Did you get that one? How about this category? 4 right angles. What shape is 4 right angles? What's the name of that shape called? Rectangle. Remember, right angle, rectangle. What about all sides are the same length? Both of these shapes are this. What's that called? Rhombus. A rhombus means all sides are the same length. So a square is a rhombus is a rhombus. And then 4 right angles, all the same length. What is that? It's just one thing. It's a square. Square. I hope you all sorted properly and can remember these for the rest of the week. We're going to move into 3D shapes tomorrow, so